Who do you think made it?
No. Pregunta. ¡Pasada!
This is 58. I'm going to need an ambulance. I have a multiple 1053. Suspect is heading west. He is a Hispanic male.
4754. Until we get the guy in custody, keep it going code 3 until we get enough units there.
All my years given to this, to them. You know my heart, my family, generations of proud trackers.
Thank you for coming in on such short notice, Mr. Montines.
Montanez.
Is that Mexican? Are you Mexican?
No, Pascayaki and Meskwaki.
I don't fuck around.
Excuse me? Why isn't that on?
That goes on once we're straight.
About?
This could be big or small, Ed. A person like me doesn't show up unless Washington thinks shit's bad. And in your neck of the woods.
Or neck of the desert?
Well, between you and me, this half-breed indigenous character you've concocted doesn't work. You've been dirty since the Shadow Wolves, Ed.
Keep that name out of your mouth.
There it is. That hot streak they spoke of. This is case number 103369, the questioning of Ed Montanez. Thank you, Agent Montanez, for coming in, and good morning. Now it says here that you spoke with Agent Christie and you heard gunfire the day of August 21st?
Diablito!
You left me está Cintia?
Muerta. Pensé que te mataron también. Mataron a todos.
Yo soy Diablito, ¿no?
Claro que sí, carnal. Hey, real talk, homie. We gotta get the fuck out of here, man.
Left me, I said! Fucking left me. ¿Y eso? ¿Eso no se te olvidó? ¿Ah? ¿Dónde vas? ¿Dónde fucking vas?
No lo que piensas, güey. Get that fucking quit out of my face, dog. It's not what you think, eh?
You left me, I said! You fucking left You think you can steal from there? Fuck me!
Perdóname, hermano. No tenía otra opción. ¡Fuck!
El camino está claro.
Creo que veo un grupo ahora. Lo siento.
Gordo's fucking up, ese.
Man, Gordo's a dead fucking bitch, eh? Vale verga.
Simón. Escúchame, carnalito. I want to tell you something, but don't trip, ese.
What do you mean, don't trip?
I had this dream the other night. Actually, I've had it a couple of times. You and me running from La Migra. We go in to hide. I turn around. And boom, I get shot, I say. The trippy shit is, instead of helping me, you fucking strangle me, I say.
Man, don't ask away.
Maybe you were just trying to help me so that the fucking pinche federales don't put me back in la pinta.
Estás loco.
Or maybe you were sending me to mi madre en el cielo. Like a bigger message, bro.
Como un pinche metaphor, eh? ¿Que no?
Órale, Simón.
You're a trip.
Roger on Union 121.
He's not answering his radio. Maybe he turned it off. You up for a run? Nah, dude, we gotta lay low for a while.
34, 1 to 34, come in.
Why do you guys need to lay low?
Are you en route to the battery suspect 318 East 3rd Street?
Fuck the crooked law.
Well, I sure am glad we have your blessing, honey. Thank you. Look, we're fine.
Roger, on your screen.
Even if there was a remote chance. I mean, it's like a fucking war zone out there right now, man.
Parking attendant, subject
For all they know, it's cartel shit.
subject 2 male Hispanic.
All right.
Married Queen, 2711 Married Queen, 27, come in.
Let's do this.
27-hour battery suspect is at 318 East 3rd Street. Is that related to your call, or do you want a different patrol unit? Married Queen, 27, verify your code 6 with the suspect or with the victim? 27, you're not readable.
146.
He ain't helping nobody. I'm telling you, that crooked Indian's working with the cartel.
Let's head over to the South Peak.
Roger that.
This is high-powered. Maybe the cartel shot their Falcon.
Yeah, well, we better move on. Unless you want to call it in.
No thanks. This is that devil idiot from the truck.
And those are your bullets in him. Let's get out of here.
Going to be coming in next couple of days. Be like a moving truck. It gets really hot in them trucks.
Sure does.
It's going to be in a green backpack. Laters.
Later, Willie.
¿Piensas parar? Le echamos agua ante la frontera.
¡Cállese! Pinche mojado. Shut the fuck up! Fuck!
Calm down, ese.
Calm down. The pinta made you soft, ese, ever since you came out. And the hair. When are you gonna cut that shit? You look like a pinche morra.
Man, shut the fuck up, man. Ya te dije.
Morra.
Temporario.
Temporario. Temporario. Just pay attention to what you're doing and see. We're almost there. ¿Entiendes?
Sí. Es todo lo que sé. This is my time.
I think we need to start covering this stretch right there. That's where they're bringing the trucks through.
Yeah, that would explain the tracks.
Yeah, well, just last week they found a broken down moving truck over by Loquil. Well, hell. I sure am glad you decided to stick around, Max. I really appreciate it.
I believe in the good fight, you know that.
Yes, you do.
Babe, Ed's here.
Shit, you didn't let him in, did you?
No, he's out front. Said he's seen some coyotes over by the livestock.
Yeah, right. All right, stay right here. I'll go take care of this.
Hey there, Ed. This is a mighty old man you got here.
Yeah, that's a big one.
All those years to make it that big.
Yeah, a long time.
I just wanted to come by and say thank you for honoring our agreement.
Yeah, so there isn't even any coyotes on my land right now, is there?
I didn't know if Lily knew.
Sure enough. Always working the angles, huh? Not much to agree to. You ran most of my people off, Ed.
The law did. An officer was shot, Travis. Did you forget?
It was an accident. Kind of easy to forget, you know?
You can't run the law in your own hands anymore.
So it's the law that's talking to me now, is that it?
They're watching you, Travis. Once more and you go to prison. Away for a long time. I saw some coyotes by your heifers about a half-mile up.
So what is it then? Are you here to tell me about some coyotes? Are you feeling a little guilty, or are you just here to sniff around like some sort of fucking law dog?
We used to be friends back then, before this border shit.
Yeah, that was a long time ago. Way back in high school. Now you're just an acquaintance.
Sorry you feel that way.
You know, you and your people have been walking across the border back and forth from here to Mexico for a real long time.
Yes, for thousands of years, all the way to the ocean.
Well, it's a shame all that's about to come to an end once they put that wall up. Hmm?
Be careful, Travis.
Oh, I will. And until they put that wall up, you know I'll be here defending my land. That's my right. And you know it.
Were you going to shoot Ed?
Necesitas silenciar a ese bebé.
Sí, sí puedo.
Sí.
No. Yo traté. Ella se calmará. Solamente dale unos minutos, por favor. No. No, por favor. Ella se calmará. Yo puedo calmarla.
¿Sí?
Yo puedo, sí, sí puedo.
¿Quieres que otro pinche
No,
zorra
por
la
favor.
cuide?
No, no me dejen. Yo traté, pero ella sigue llorando.
¿Sabes qué? Pendeja.
No.
¿Sabes qué? Dale esto.
Sí, sí.
Ándale.
Sí.
Cuídala. Pinche mojados.
No, todo va a estar bien.
Sí.
Pinche mojados. Vámonos. Ándale.
Ándale pues.
Sí.
Cúrale.
Sí.
Gracias, Jesucristo. Cuídame una vez más. Por favor, protege a mí y mi princesa con la luz del Espíritu Santo. Amén.
So how long you been working the border?
23 years, Agent.
They let you keep the hair and the braids?
Years ago, they did a study on native trackers.
Yeah, I've heard this one. They took a bunch of Native Americans and they cut off all their hair, and all of a sudden they were confused and couldn't find shit.
But the fella with the hair always found his shit.
It's beautiful here.
Beach shoveling shit. You know, I wake up in the mornings these days, no more pain. So how's your husband?
Larry. Yeah, he's my boyfriend. He's fine. It's been a little tough.
Yeah. Hopefully this'll make things better.
Hopefully.
Package will be there in 2 days. But might need a little assistance getting it over. Things are a lot more difficult right now.
You can arrange for something. I have planned for this. Thank you, Sid.
No sweat, kid. If it wasn't for you, you'd be retired and Attica right about now.
¡Ándale! ¡Púrale, pendejo!
I see the tracks coming in, but where the fuck do they go?
They're probably using carpet on their fucking feet.
But I see 2 of them right there.
¡Vámonos!
¡Vamos!
¡Métele! Money!
Shut up! Get down!
I have money! Money! Money!
You stay down.
I
don't want your fucking money! Shut up!
Shoot! No, shoot! My heart! My heart! My heart!
Yeah? Well, I've got something for your heart. You fake fuck.
Get on your knees. Hold that rodilla!
Can you believe this fucking kraut tried to pay us off? Why the hell would a German want to sneak across here anyway?
Well, it's been a while since we caught a Euro.
Yeah. Well, why didn't you ask the Mexican where the others went? And why the hell he's hanging out with this guy?
Hey! ¿Dónde es Majaras?
No hay mojados. Agua. Dame agua. Dame agua. My friend, he wants water too.
Did you hear that? I heard that. He understands exactly what we're saying. Why the fuck are you so guilty?
Hey, it's cool. They're just thirsty.
We're just two honest guys going to America to work, I see.
Yeah.
I see.
Two honest guys trying to work my ass. You're a fucking coyote. Try to tell me you're not, motherfucker! You're the coyote, and this bastard is the one that's paying you off! What the hell is wrong with this guy?
Jesus Christ, he's having a heart attack or some shit. Should I cut him loose?
Hell no. No!
He's fucking dead, Travis.
I never knew I was that scary. Now this is the second day in a row we've been stuck on some stupid shit out here.
It's probably not even on today. And what the fuck does it matter anyway? That guy might live. Give me the phone and I'll make the call.
Hey! Cut me loose. You have 10 grand right there, I say. You know, go home, go to bed.
Perfect fucking English.
Hey. Because of those motherfuckers that killed that border agent, aren't you?
No, that wasn't us. Why don't you shut your trap, boy?
Travis, can't handle any more of this bullshit out here.
Yeah, well, we can't afford to call this in either. Otherwise, that's the end of protecting all this shit. We might as well cut him loose and call it a day so we can all go back to bed. That other one's probably a chomo anyway. I know where you come from, man. They say you can take either the silver or the bullet. Well, I might be a lot of things, but I sure as hell ain't no coyote's bitch.
Pendejo. Just a stupid American. Wasting money. Cut me loose!
Stand up. I said stand up. Get the fuck up!
Travis,
I said fuck.
Cut him loose! Travis! Just cut him loose!
Run, motherfucker!
Very unnecessary. All of this shit. Very unnecessary.
Take a look at this, Ed. You know these guys?
Local border watchers, militiamen. Not dirty.
I didn't ask if they were dirty, Ed.
The guy on the left, he's my friend, Travis Hunter. He's a good man, but a little mixed up.
Mixed up? How?
Takes everything to heart. Prefers to react.
Well, it seems like he's always around when shit happens.
What's that got to do with me?
Well, Washington got wind of a vigilante militia killing illegals. Maybe the same ones who shot that border agent last summer.
There's a lot of groups out here.
And then there's this. Hans Ferguson, German software tycoon, found dead. Wanted by Interpol.
What did he do?
Pedophile. Peddling child porn across the EU.
I reported this body. I'm aware of it.
Yeah, I bet you are aware of it. Bet you're real intimate with the details as well, huh? Covering for your buddy?
What the fuck? We almost had one! He had a pack of shit on his back, Ed!
I can't have you running down people, Travis. Don't make me fucking lock you up.
What did you say to me?
Travis.
You ain't locking me up for hunting these animals down. They're the ones that are breaking the law!
I ain't turning around, Travis. This ain't your friend speaking now, Travis. Don't make me turn around. You boys come up on any moving trucks?
Nope. We've been on that coyote since daybreak.
I thought you would say that.
He knows we were there.
You don't know shit. You can keep stumbling around in the dark for all I give a fuck. He's got you paranoid.
I ain't scared of him, but I do respect him. He can smell bullshit.
You know what I was thinking? Back there, I could have swore I heard a baby crying. Yeah. Yeah, me too. Like there was a few of them hiding back there in the bushes when we ran by.
That guy did look familiar.
I don't know about him, but that pack he had on his backside sure looked like the one from the truck.
Want to head back? Flank him?
Yep.
I can tell you don't like me, Ed.
I'm sure you get that a lot.
Yes, I do in my line of work. Being gender deficient in a man's game. But you know what?
What?
I don't give a fuck. All right, now back to the real what. I think I have an idea as to why you quit such a prestigious outfit like the Shadow Wolves. It's because you were broke.
Really?
2 divorces, headed for a 3rd. Gotta make it happen this time. Yeah. The action wasn't happening down on the res. So you had to go find it.
I left the res because it wasn't what I grew up with. It changed.
Or maybe you changed, Ed.
When you set out to hunt a man, you better be prepared, Agent.
Excuse me?
Hunting a being is about connecting to the root.
Told you to go home, Travis.
What the fuck are you doing, Travis? You gonna shoot Ed?
Just glassing him.
What the fuck are we doing?
Well, the fact is we fucked up. So we can either go down for that shit, or we can try to remedy the situation. And that all starts with following these 2.
You know, Travis, I believe in this. But this fucking scheming? Fuck! All my time in the service, I never did shit. I never killed a civilian.
Not up until now.
This is Pepper Charles reporting on the border at Hunter Ranch with Travis Hunter. Mr. Hunter, it has been said by you that illegal immigrants are entering our country to vote Democratic. Do you have any evidence to back this up?
Well, I find it ironic that you refer to them as immigrants when they're actually criminals that cross over here by the millions and cast votes for liberals.
And do you have any facts to support that claim?
Well, I know what you're trying to do, and the only thing you're actually accomplishing is showing the Americans that you can make a mockery of a true patriot. It's kind of shameful.
If what you're saying were true, how does a non-citizen get past identification verifications and other measures to prevent voter fraud? And why would they put themselves in unnecessary jeopardy just to vote?
Now, you see, this is a fine example of how the media likes to deflect the real issues with fake news.
So you're standing by your claim?
Yes. And I think it takes pretty brave folks to come out here and speak up to deliver the chilling message of truth to the American people.
Yes. If what you were saying were true, it would indeed be chilling. Thank you. Well, there you have it, dude. Back to you.
Defend the line! Defend the line! Defend the line!
That was bullshit.
Proud of you, honey.
They have us surrounded, little one. If we stick around, we'll surely get caught.
Way to be inconspicuous there, Ed.
It's a trap. He knows we've been following him.
Bullshit. You think he's the only one that can track? We've been running parallel against the wind all day and keeping a good distance.
He's a shadow wolf.
Shadow wolf my ass. I grew up with all those res kids. And they ain't any better than us. And I know that dirty little Mexican's up on that hill somewhere. I say we keep glass in the area and wait for him to light something up. Then go get him.
Bring him back down to Ed?
Yep. Like we're being nice and helpful. And then plug them both.
We're almost to the Interstate 8. And from there, you can go deep into this country. And in this country, you can be anything your heart desires. Maybe even doctora. Huh?
Travis. Travis. What? He's on the move. Let's go.
Why they be burning this shit?
It's a baby's diaper.
What the fuck, are they running babies now?
Was there a baby at that truck?
I don't know.
Travis.
I don't know. It all happened too fucking fast.
You were down in that shit. I could have swore I heard a baby crying.
Shut your fucking mouth. Don't you say that. I don't kill babies.
I am sick and tired of you telling me what to do and what to say. It's because of you we are knee deep in this shit.
Yeah, well, I seem to recall you doing a whole lot of shooting too, brother.
Chinga tu madre! This shit isn't gonna work, I say. Vámonos.
¿Y los mojados?
Fuck the mojados.
Hey, los podemos llevar más cerca.
It's too fucking risky, I say. Besides, we already crossed over the border and I don't have time to argue with pinche mojados. Ahora, grab the baby in the bag from Chocho y vámonos. Órale. Come on. Sid. Buenos dias. There's been a change of plans.
You listen to me, you little schmuck.
Sid, just listen to me.
The next time you call me, it better be to confirm that my package made it to the Indian.
I got it all under control. ¿Entiendes?
You'll get the rest of your money then.
Lázaro! ¡Chinga tu madre! ¡Cállese! Hey, a lot has changed since you were in La Pinta, ese.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Ábrelo. Ándale. ¡Vamos!
¡Ándale pues!
¡Vamos!
¡Apúrate!
¡Apúrate la verga! ¡Sal!
Let's rock.
Freeze! Everybody get your hands up!
Put your pinche hands up, amigo. Oh, yeah. You're the ringleader.
No hablo inglés.
No. No habla?
¿Qué vas a hacer?
No, you habla inglés. Fine. Oh.
No, no son agentes. Ellos no son agentes del gobierno. Son cartel.
What the fuck is he saying?
Son cartel.
¡Ábrele pues! ¡Vámonos! ¡Vámonos!
I should have frisked him.
We'll find something soon, princesa. Está bien. Shh. You're never gonna catch me, Mira. Hold on, please. Hold on. I will see it in your fucking eyes. Later.
Give me a hand!
It's like they disappeared.
I know they came in here. Maybe they doubled back, or the coyote did.
Else they got in the river and headed downstream.
You think the coyote jumped in the river and Ed's chasing beside him?
Or better yet, Ed's a mile down at the bend, cutting him off at the pass.
This isn't good, man.
Yeah, it's kind of starting to get messy.
Well, let's get to the bend. We don't even have time to think.
We're not gonna catch up, man. The current's too fast. They're probably miles up.
Bullshit! You ain't quitting now, man.
Don't question my heart, okay?
Get out of my face! You don't want a piece of this, Travis. I'm all you got, man. We're all we got.
Bullshit!
Once the lake finds out what we did.
Fuck! End of the war, huh? You just give up, go to prison?
I'd rather be dead than locked up.
Then why are we fighting?
Because you're a self-absorbed asshole, man! Stop referring to all this shit as war! This ain't war!
Hey, look. I don't think you're better than me just because you served and I didn't.
I've never held that against you, man. But you gotta stop with all this gung-ho bullshit!
Yeah. I guess I get a little carried away at times.
You love your country. I love my country too.
No te preocupes. I know a place right here. You can get all the food and milk you want.
Where were you in the winter of 1998?
That was almost 20 years ago.
come on, Ed. You remember that place like it was yesterday. How could you forget that? The guy that was stabbed in the neck right next to you while you were on the phone with your wife?
That was a lifetime ago. I'm a different person.
Maybe. I know that place could scare a person straight. Would me. You're a convicted felon, Ed.
That was expunged. My rights have been restored. I can vote. Have a gun. Is this why I'm here?
This can go two ways, Ed. I can get up, walk out of here, go back to Washington. You and I had never met. Or I can press record and erase your ass.
What do I have to do for you to go back?
There's a package coming in.
On the border?
Yep. Through your corridor. On a moving truck. In the desert in 2 days. And all you have to do is make an unofficial bust.
Hey! Motherfucker. Stop. I'm tired of you people messing with my house. Stay away from that bag. I said stop. ¿Tú sabes inglés?
Yeah, man. I was thirsty. It's America, right?
Don't play stupid with me. You know exactly where you're at. You didn't even try the faucets out back. Why?
Well, I was...
Why? Because you knew they were off. You knew because you...
Hey, no, please, hey, please. All right?
What are you doing with that baby?
If I told you, man, you'd never believe me.
Just try me.
It's all cleaned up. Yeah, I see it.
Hey, why are you helping me, man?
My wife. She was a kind soul. No matter what kind of people came through here, she'd accept them. She'd help them. A lot more tolerant than I was. So, I'm doing it for her. I'm doing it for the future of that child. Why are you doing it? I mean, a guy like you could have left that kid out there to die easily.
Mi madre, my mother. She always used to say, you either create or take. And all my life I've taken. And the only thing that I ever created was pain for others.
And baby changes all that?
Simone. Hey, thanks for your help, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, well, don't thank me yet. We haven't made it to the interstate. First, we gotta get through the corridor. Let me show you. I got a map. As I'm sure you're aware of this patch right here, it's got lookouts on both sides.
See, Falcones.
Exactly. Everything funnels in through there.
What if I was able to make my way up over one of the hills? Through the Falcon?
Right through them. That would give you the element of surprise.
Mm-hmm.
Well, the best thing I can do for you is tie up that border agent that's tracking you, give you a head start.
Where's he at?
Them bushes right over there. We can elude him, huh? That's not a problem.
All right, orale.
Yeah.
Have I gone too far? Stalking him like some animal, and to deal with the devil.
Hey, I'm ready, man.
All right. for all that has been done to him out here, he still chooses to be kind. Bless his heart.
We're clear. Go ahead.
This guy?
I don't know, but whoever it is coming in hot. Hold on!
It's gonna be all right.
Ed! Where the fuck you are? Travis is dying, man!
Sleep well, soldier.
Que Dios te bendiga, mi amigo.
the great Shadow Wolf.
Coyote!
This is it. When you get famous, don't forget Lázaro Antonio Laderas Gutierrez. Lo siento, carnal.
Órale pues, carnalito.
Adiós, carnal.
You have no choice but the corrido, Coyote.
Háblame. Háblame.
Pinche pendejo, háblame.
Escudero, háblame.
No te preocupes, princesa. El lobo te va a cuidar. I'm gonna go take care of these fools.
Háblame. Pinche pendejo, háblame.
Fuck!
Perdóname, princesa. I failed you.
También, coyote. DNA. Bueno, corazón.
You can't outrun a bullet, ese? Don't worry. I'll kill you both.
You're home now, princess.
What happened to you?
Work. What are you gonna do about the baby?
I'm gonna raise it. Yeah, move on. Can't have kids.
Sorry to hear that, Agent.
Diane.
Diane.
I have this friend, and he set it up as far as the border.
And that's when I came in.
Well, if I could dig up your past, anybody could. Why don't you go retire? Go get that fat pension. Thank you, Ed, for giving me a family.
Don't thank me. Thank the coyote.